Here we have a problem where we are trying to pull a block at an angle and we want to find out what is the vertical force that the surface applies to the block or the normal reaction force. So in this case, in order for us to solve that, we just need to find out first what is the vertical component of the 35 Newton force that is actually at 60 degrees. So if this is your vertical component, that's 60 degrees, then it's just correct to say that's, I'll call it Py, vertical. P cosine 60. That gives you 35 times cosine 60. That gives you 17.5. 17.5. So from there, we can now solve for the vertical component from the surface. So that gives you vertical force equals to the weight minus P1. The weight will now be 180 minus 17.5. 180 minus 17.5, and you will get 162.5. 162. Right, next is that we want to find out the work done by force P. Notice that force P is at an angle, okay, and the block moves at a distance of 20 meters. We all know that work done is simply force multiplied by distance. But here, the force is at an angle, so that gives you force is equals to cosine 60. Actually, force is equals to force multiplied by sine 60. If you look at here, if the block is moving in that direction, then the force that you should be using is also in the horizontal. Okay? Multiplied by the distance. So that gives you 35 sine 60 multiplied by 20. 35 times sine 60 times 20. Total work done is around 606 joules. That is how you solve this problem.